Foam traps particles and debris for mechanical filtration. Tailored fit prevents bypass. Provides biological filtration as friendly bacteria grow inside pore structure. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 70 filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 70 gallons. Includes 3 AquaClear 70 foam filter inserts. AquaClear 70 foam filter inserts are replacement filter media for the AquaClear 70 power filter. The AquaClear 70 foam filter insert is a mechanical filter media that effectively removes particles and debris from aquarium water. It also prevents particulate waste from prematurely clogging other media in the filter. Primarily a mechanical filtration media, it also provides powerful biological filtration as friendly bacteria eventually grow inside its pore structure. Exclusively designed for the AquaClear 70 power filter, the foam inserts are safe for fresh and saltwater aquariums. AquaClear creates a wide variety of products for freshwater tanks such as fish tank accessories, fish tank decorations, and aquarium filter media that is perfect for large and small fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. These actually work. These are a great value. So much easier than bagging your own and hoping they are working. I've been using these in both the ammonia remover and activated charcoal. They are a huge help with keeping the tanks clean and fresh. I love my AquaClear filters.